We came over here, the customer told us, listen, there's no air conditioning, the breaker, the main breaker, keeps popping. So we know right away something to do with electrical. Over here, I noticed when I was coming up here, there's a stain, as you guys can see. And I'm feeling this, it's oily. Usually when you see a stain and you feel oil residue, many times it's some sort of a leak because refrigerant has leak. It's the R22 system. Take it one step further, I put the gas, I'm checking for the gas, I put my manometers, my gauges, guess where we at? 0. That's right, 0. You know what that means? Flat, no bueno, no gas, nothing, nada. So there's no gas. But again,
the breaker was tripping.
So what happened is I checked the compressor's burnt out, meaning the windings are burnt out inside, they're touching the chassis, creating a dead short, which is why it's popping the breaker. It's a 2-stage system. So on the first stage, it's calling for cooling, it's fine, which is the compressor on the right. As you guys can see, it's sweating, it's condensating. But when it goes to the second stage for cooling on the second compressor, contactor pulls in, boom, 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 pops the breaker, and voila! That's when we get a service call, papa. That's what they call New York boiler and air condition repair. So, just to let you guys know, they need a new compressor, a new filter dryer, a new fucking new system.